Good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
We are headed to church. I am really excited for today. Cautiously excited. That's my typical feeling. This is going to be the very first time in a long time that the praise team has fully been in charge of music for a worship service. We're doing every single song except for the Gloria Patri, obviously. I think if the praise team accompanied the Gloria Patri, people would revolt, probably.
Yeah.
Although it might be fun to try sometime. All right, we're waiting. Look at this awesome band. Look at this.
With medallions.
All the medallions, all the places he's hiked.
This one down here is from Scarpa. This one up here is my Eagle Scout. That's 19.
I'm home, and Cornelius is being very naughty. He's not usually like this. It's actually kind of funny. He's been perching on our pictures. And he's never done this, ever. He's going to all of the places that he's not supposed to be. He's trying to get in touch with our ancestors, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, it was second race. Where's yours? Out of the way!
Are you preening him?
I'm getting ready to poop on it.
Oh, gross. He's like, I am preening your beard. Make sure he doesn't have any crumbs in there. Okay, we are taking a walk. That was a rousing ping pong match.
Yep.
I enjoyed watching it. Fun. It has begun. There is Christmas happening in my neighborhood. It's pretty late. I don't think that I talked about this. Look. So, we are defrosting the refrigerator. I honestly cannot remember the last time I defrosted a full-size refrigerator. And I'm not sure if this is a newer model. It's not like this is an old refrigerator that has to be defrosted. So I'm thinking there could be a problem with our refrigerator, but we're trying this before we decide to get rid of it. Final clip. Horatio is still downstairs working on the refrigerator. It is defrosting. It is unplugged. We are thoroughly cleaning it and sanitizing it, and hopefully tomorrow, when we plug it back in, turn everything on, everything will work and be better than ever. Horatio has vacation. He's trying to burn all of his leftover vacation time before the end of the year. He has several days, so he's taking this week off. And we're trying to figure out if we're going to do anything special. I think we're just going to probably hang here. We might go bowling as a family, but yeah. So yeah, tomorrow I have work to do because we have to get I have to get all of the church things completely coordinated, all of the music plugged in so that the bulletins can be printed, and so people don't have to worry about it over the holiday, and it'll be all ready for Sunday. And Gabriel's got karate, and yeah, I think that's it. So until tomorrow.